Welcome to my friends. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, select the color filter, change the background color, select the opacity, effect, shadow enable button on, select a sticker, duplicate the sticker. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.